Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to redeem coupons on Bitget using reward points step by step. Don't worry if you're new to Bitget or crypto. This guide is made for complete beginners. Let's get started. What are reward points on Bitget? Bitget gives you reward points for doing simple tasks like daily check-in, trading, deposits, and completing missions. You can use these points to redeem coupons that help reduce trading fees or give trading bonuses. Step 1. Open the Bitget app. First, unlock your phone and open the Bitget app. If you don't have it, download it from the Play Store or App Store. Now log in to your Bitget account. Step 2. Go to Rewards Center. Once logged in, tap on Rewards on the home screen. If you don't see it, tap on More or Menu icon, then select Rewards. This will open the Rewards Center. Step 3. Check your reward points. At the top, you'll see your reward points balance. If you don't have enough points, tap Daily Check-in, complete simple tasks shown on the screen. Your points will increase automatically. Step 4. Redeem coupons with points. Now, scroll down in the Reward Center. Look for Redeem with Points or Points Redemption. You'll see different coupons like trading fee rebate coupons, futures bonus coupons, and other reward vouchers. Tap Redeem next to the coupon you want. Confirm the redemption. Your points will be deducted, and the coupon will be added to your account. Step 5. Use the coupon. After redeeming, go to Coupon Center in the app. Your coupon will be automatically applied when you make an eligible trade. Just place a trade normally, Bitget applies the coupon for you. Important tips. Coupons have an expiration date. Read coupon conditions carefully. Points once used cannot be refunded. So this is how you can redeem Bitget coupons using reward points in 2026. Simple, easy, and beginner-friendly. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe. If you have questions, comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.